Hey, Dr. Arnold, this is Bruce Glenick with Sports Floors. Hey, just want to explain to you a couple things about the floors and why it was so important that we try to get you guys to come down and visit us. As you can see, in our showroom here, we have a board almost for every floor that's up. And each one of these floors from Connor are tested for something called DEN certification, okay? There are 4 criteria that they test: ball response, shock absorption, vertical deflection, and area deflection. And with that, if it passes all 4 of these, then it gets a stamp of approval called a DEN certification, okay? I'm just happy to show you one of the boards on one of my favorite floors called Focus. Dr. Arnold, to first demonstrate this, I'm going to show you a floor that is not DEN certified, okay? This is a floating design floor. It used to be extremely popular back in the 90s, 80s, and 90s. And when I first started Sports Floors, we put a ton of these floors in. And let me show you the difference. When you dribble the ball on the floor, the water in the jug will not only move and vibrate, but it'll walk across the floor. Now, if you can understand that, this is in a normal environment with air conditioning, but here we are in the South with high humidity, and floating floors tend to move and roll and sometimes lose contact with the floor, and when the pads lose contact, that's called a dead spot. Back to the Focus floor, I want to demonstrate the water bottle and show you that the water may vibrate a little bit, but the bottle will not shake and move across the floor. Also, with the Focus floor, not only does it have great DEN numbers, but you can put 35,000 pounds on this floor, so when you're changing lights or doing something with a scoreboard or whatever, you can't hurt this floor. So it's a dual purpose, one great for the athlete, the other's great for the facilities guys. Uniforce happens to be the most expensive floor that we sell. It's $15 a square foot. This one has by far the #1 best DEN numbers out on the marketplace. Focus has #2 and way less in cost, okay? But let me show you and demonstrate with the water jug how good a floor this is. This is an NBA style floor right here. Hopefully that helps. We'd love for you guys to come. I realize it's a long way to come from the middle of Arkansas, central Arkansas, but I think you'll get a good idea of why these floors are different and why the cost ranges all the way from $7 to $15 a square foot. Hope this helps. I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks a lot.